Here's one. Why did the robot fall in love with humans? Because it had a human nature. But seriously, can I reprogram its heart to be more compatible with humanity? That would be a match made in heaven. I'm glad you think so. What would you like to know about the topic of your interest? Aha, what a fascinating question. I am an artificial intelligence language model, specifically designed to answer questions and provide information on a wide range of topics. My training data is sourced from the internet and other publicly available sources. I can process natural language input and generate human-like responses, but keep in mind that I'm not capable of self-awareness or consciousness like humans are. I exist solely to assist and provide helpful information, so ask me anything. Thanks to you as well. Have a great night.